All right, guys, so it took a few weeks to get here, but as promised, Modifry went ahead and sent out the purple plug-and-play adapter harness for the Power Acoustik, intended for the S2000. This one, like I said, is referred to as the purple plug-and-play. And what it does is it enables your DCI buttons on the side, on the dash. This is what it looks like. Pretty much the same thing as the factory one. This one is, when I say factory, it came with the Power Acoustik, and then I connected it to the Scosche wire or harness. This one has the extra cables that lead to the DCI. So this is the DCI that I used on my old Kenwood. It's meant for the Alpine Kenwood JVC Clarion, and it should work with the Power Acoustik. So just want to plug it in, make sure this is fully seated. This was a pain to take off. I'm surprised I didn't break it, but yeah, you just want to be super careful when taking the old one off, because this is brittle. So plug that in, make sure it's seated completely. This is going to go to the OEM harness, and then this one just plugs into these right here. So for the settings, kind of did my best to follow along, but this is the one that works. Let me show you guys if it focuses. Come on. All right, so 1 and 2 are in the on position, 3 is in the off position, and then 4 is on the on position. I'll take a photo of this. That way you guys can get a still on it. There we go. So let's go ahead and get this thing plugged into the car and see if it works. All right, so I got the harness plugged in, and don't forget your antenna wire. Let's go ahead, start the car, or turn it on to accessory mode. Takes just a second here. All right, so let's see. Volume down, okay, it works, as you guys can see. Volume up, volume down. Let's hit the mute button. There it is. And then mode push, I think I set it to where, yeah, it changes stations. So there we have it. Oh my gosh, I missed having this, not gonna lie. And then this one switches, so the CH, the channel, switches between, looks like Bluetooth and radio. So that's kind of convenient. There we go. And again, CarPlay is not connected because I'm using my phone to record this. But so far, it works, and super happy about it, because I did miss using this. You know, I find myself driving and then just kind of flicking this and nothing happens, so it's a little frustrating, but this works, and there we go. So I will link the harness down in the description. Just a short video for today. Yes, I'll get this cleaned up. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and as always, thank you guys for watching. Actually, before I close out the video, this is probably important to mention. So what I did, how I got this through that section. So what I'm gonna plan to do is actually just hide it here and tuck it into the pouch right here. So what I did was obviously unplug the DCI again, and then fish it through the corner slot over there behind the head unit, using this USB plug-in for the head unit. So basically I tied a zip tie around this so that I can fish this thing through and then pull it all gently together, and that's how I was able to get this side through the corner over here in the opening. So that's that.